Hey guys, we are doing the slime from the live stream if you didn't see. Next we will do the crystal. So I already read the instructions, all these weird instructions. So first, we have these stickers to put on. And then we have powder to make it, glitter, and little star. Ah, how cute, it's like slimy, ew. Anyway, so I have to fill this to the line, as you can see, to water. So I'll be right back. Okay, cold water, it said. Way too much. Okay, I got it. I've seen my shadow red. So it says, fill it with cold water. Yep, that's pretty cold. And I dumped the powder and glitter in. I don't have scissors right now. I wasn't prepared that much. I am in the washroom, so I was a little prepared for the slime making. I just got a phone call a couple seconds ago, and all I heard was, and I'm like, what? So if I do get another call, I have my phone, and my actual phone for the timer. So I'm going to quickly put in the glitter first and then the powder. So glittery water. Yes.